presentation is by Mr. Salman Farhankus. He is a graduate research and teaching assistant at the Accelerated Bridge Construction University Transportation Center and pursuing his PhD in a structural engineering program at Florida International University. Mr. Farhankus received his master's degree as a first-year student in mechanical engineering. Let's join me to welcome our next speaker.
Today I am presenting a part of my research work which is sponsored by United States DOT and deals with non-destructive testing applicable to health monitoring of ABC closure joints.